Sony WH-1000XM5. Introducing the Sony WH-1000XM5, a pair of headphones that set the bar with its industry-leading noise cancellation. These headphones are equipped with not one, but two processors and an impressive 8 microphones, delivering unprecedented noise cancellation.
You can hear my voice even in a noisy environment without any background noise. That's the power of Auto Noise Cancellation Optimizer working for you.
What sets them apart is the Auto Noise Cancellation Optimizer, which automatically adjusts noise cancellation based on your surroundings and how you're wearing the headphones. Experience an extraordinary battery life of up to 40 hours without noise cancellation and 30 hours with noise cancellation. Your music will keep playing and you won't find yourself searching for a charger. Expect crystal clear hands-free calling thanks to the 4 beamforming microphones, precise voice pickup, and advanced audio signal processing. The soft fit leather ensures you can wear them for hours without discomfort. As a bonus, the headphones come with Speak to Chat. This innovative feature automatically pauses your music and allows ambient sound in when you start a conversation. It's a convenient touch that keeps you connected with your surroundings. Let's see what is in the box. These headphones come with a 1-year warranty offering peace of mind for your investment. The headphones are available in black, midnight blue, and silver color options. Elevate your audio experience with these industry-leading audio wear. Go get your Sony WH-1000XM5 at Amazon now.